Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Tay. I'm HOD ICT, currently covering the duty of year head because Mr. Ng is on course for this semester. I'm also the teacher in charge for your streaming exercise end of this year. This morning's assembly is on understanding the options available for you at the end of the year when it comes to streaming. Okay, before we start, let's recap what Mr. Ng has shared with you in March. Okay, first of all, the expectation for all Sec 2 students. Okay, everyone, this is the key core curriculum for all of you all this year. You note that some of the subjects are bold, some of them there's an asterisk, and some of them is not highlighted. So basically, those are in bold. Okay, they contribute to overall results. Those with an asterisk, these are the subjects that are project-based with no end-of-year examination. Okay, promotion criteria for NT course is available in the BP Organizer, page 15. All of you all should aim at least to meet the minimum attainment level for promotion to Sec 3. Okay, so from the BP Organizer, the minimum attainment level is a grade D or better in 2 subjects, one of which must be English or mathematics. Of course, for those who aim to go higher or do better, okay, the criteria for lateral transfer requirement is also highlighted here. A minimum of 70% for the combined percentage of all subjects, and those who found suitable with at least 70% for English, Maths, and Science, we will get feedback from your form teachers to see whether you are suitable for lateral transfer. Please note that if you are eligible for lateral transfer, you will be lateral transferred to 2NA in the following year. Okay, the next part is about Sec 2 streaming. So first thing, we need to understand what Sec 2 streaming is about. So number one, streaming is about the selection of subjects for the next 2 years. It's not about choosing a class or a new classmates for the next 2 to 3 years. Because by now you realize that for the next 2 years, you all will stay together. The only chance that you'll be in different groups or different classes is when you are studying for different subjects. So the impact of the choice of subjects during streaming is about the subject combination that you're going to take for the next 2 years leading to your national examinations, and the options of post-secondary educational pathway and also your future career pathway. So a lot is at stake at this point of time when you're considering your choice. It affects your progression when you're in ITE and beyond that. Okay, streaming is based on students' personal preference and choice. We do allow you to choose what are the electives that you are interested in. And of course, for those of you who are offering our stream subjects, is on academic merits. Okay, in the following slides, we will share or help you to recall what are the requirements for the specific subjects. So entry requirement for progression to ITE onwards, you will need at least 3 GCE level passes. Certain courses have specific requirements on the subjects required. So for example, pass in English is required for courses like service skills, attractions, operations, etc. Pass in mathematics and science is required for courses like applied food science, chemical process technology, etc. So all these requirements are available on the ITE website if you're interested to find out, especially if you are very determined on certain courses. Okay, it will be beneficial for you to go and read out on these courses before you decide on the electives. So the aggregate computation, aggregate computation for admission to ITE is based on your 4 best subjects. And the conversion of NT grade to ITE aggregate points are as follows in the table. So it's quite straightforward and simple. You may take your time to understand this, basically from A to U. Okay, there are multiple pathways for NT students to progress beyond the ITE. So after your 2 years NITEC course, you may also consider the 2 years higher NITEC. After which, polytechnic and university are the higher educational institution which you may consider. Many of our students have success stories going on to the universities and they have done well after that. Okay, this next part of the presentation will help all of us to recall the Sec 3 subject combinations that are offered in 2021. Subject-based banding provides greater flexibility in subject offering at lower secondary level to better cater to the strengths of the students in different subjects and also to enhance their access to opportunities throughout their educational journey. Our students have taken some SVP subjects at Express or NA level for English, Math, Science, and Mother Tongue languages. However, each student cannot take more than 3 higher level subjects. At upper secondary, we do not call those subject-based banding anymore. We call them out-of-stream subjects. School will still offer out-of-stream subjects at a higher level to eligible Sec 3 NT students for English, Mother Tongue, Science, and Mathematics at NA level. Likewise, for SBB, each student could only offer up to a maximum of 3 out-of-stream subjects at upper sec. So to help all of us to recap again the criteria for offering out-of-stream subjects at higher level. So these are the conditions which are required for you to offer those out-of-stream subjects. So for English, basically, if you are a non-SBB student, we need you to score a percentage of 70 for your Sec 2 English and an overall percentage of 65. And for those who are already in SBB, we need you to at least pass your SBB grade to continue offering out-of-stream subjects at upper level. If not, you will only offer NT English at Sec 3. So likewise, the criteria for NA Mother Tongue is the same as English. Okay, likewise for the other out-of-stream subjects, mathematics and science. So minimum requirement for SBB students, you need at least a pass grade, which is a grade 5. For those non-SBB students and you're thinking of offering out-of-stream subjects at upper sec, you need to score at least a math overall percentage of 70 and a Sec 2 overall percentage of 65 to be able to qualify for these out-of-stream subjects at upper level. So just a kind reminder, you can only offer up to 3 out-of-stream subjects at upper sec. For students who are offering out-of-stream subjects at upper sec, 2 bonus points are awarded. And the 2 bonus points are only applicable if the course requires that essential subjects. So for example, there are 13 courses in ITE which requires math or science. So if you are doing math or science at NA level, 2 bonus points will be awarded. So there are 7 courses in ITE which require math only. 1 course in ITE requires math and English. 9 courses in ITE that requires English. But there are also 16 courses which doesn't have any required subject requirement. We offer our students at Sec 3 NT level 4 electives. You may choose from one of these 4 electives to study when you're in Sec 3. So these 4 are namely food studies, elements of business skills, design and technology, and art. Do note that there is a pass English requirement for EBS. This is because of the nature of the subject itself. So there's a minimum of 5 students needed to at least to start the class. Okay, these are the subjects offerings that is offered to you at the end of the year during the streaming exercise. Do note that those subjects in red, okay, those are your electives and you need to choose one of them to study when you're in Sec 3. Okay, just a kind reminder again, for elements of business skills, you need to at least pass your English. So do remember the various criteria that we need for you to meet in order for you to take up English, math, science, and mother tongue at a higher level. Okay, the next part of the sharing is on the electives. Today's sharing, we will get you to know more about the 4 electives, the how, the why, the who, the what, and the when. So everything about the electives that you'll be taking in Sec 3 in order to allow you to make a more informed choice and you will not regret it when you are studying it in Sec 3 for the next 2 years. This is the official Bukit Panjang Government High School YouTube channel. So for those of you who have not subscribed, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever there's a new video that's added to the channel. Okay, in this channel, you realize that we have added in a playlist which is streaming information for normal technical stream. There are 4 videos currently inside this channel and we'll be adding whatever I'm sharing today. Okay, this particular sharing will also be uploaded to that playlist when I'm done. If you click on the streaming information for normal technical stream, you'll see that there are 4 videos available. By the end of today, there will be at least 5 videos including this particular sharing. So The Art, D&T, EBS, Food Studies, the videos have been put together by your subject teachers so that all of you all will have a better understanding on the type of the nature of the coursework or the nature of the subject that you'll be taking in 2021. So take some time to go through the video and understand the type of assessment, the nature of the subject, the qualities, and the type of attitude that you need to possess in order for you to do well in those subjects. By knowing all this, you'll be able to make a better choice come October when you're doing your streaming exercise. After you have finished all the videos, right now you have a better understanding of all the electives that were offered to you in 2021. Right now you just need to choose the one that you're interested in, and from 19 October to 27 October, just put in your options correctly and properly so that the system can capture your choice. Okay, nearer to the date of the streaming exercise, I will release another video guiding all students how to proceed doing your options properly and seamlessly. So do take note of the different dates. 30th October is where the streaming results will be released. The appeal window is for you to appeal if you do not get the choice that you want or you have a change of mind. Okay, the results will be finalized on 3rd of November, after which there will not be any more changes. Here are some of the frequently asked questions accumulated from the previous years. So the streaming exercise will start on the 19th to 27th October. So during this COVID-19 situation, I doubt many of us will be overseas during the streaming exercise. So if you are overseas, you can still apply through the online website available here. So how many options do we need to select? Okay, you need to rank all the 4 options available to you in accordance to your preference. So your number 1 choice should be the one that you wanted the most. Okay, what if you miss the streaming exercise? A random subject will be assigned to you based on the availability. So if you do not get your preferred choice, you can still appeal through the website from the 31st October to the 2nd of November. Okay, so all NT students have to take at least 6 subjects. So these subjects include English, Mother Tongue, Math, Science, Computer Application, and 1 elective. So once again, a kind reminder that in order for you to take up EBS as an elective, you need to at least pass your Sec 2 English. Okay, so if there's any questions, you may ask your form teachers. Your form teachers may go on to send the questions to me in the WhatsApp and can reply you straight away. Okay, if not, I'm HOD ICT covering year head. I'm Mr. Tay. So feel free to email me if there's any questions after this session. So if not, do take some time to go through the videos. Your form teachers will also go through some of the videos, if not all. Some of the videos we view in class during form class period. If not, you can enjoy the videos at the comfort of your home together with parents to discuss about the type of subjects, the type of course that you want for 2021. Okay, thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the day.